In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a refund on Wayfair. Whether you're dealing with a product that just isn't right for you or managing an unexpected issue, knowing how to get a refund can be incredibly helpful. Let's walk through this process together to ensure it's as smooth as possible. To get started, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and go to Wayfair's official website. Once you're there, locate the login button, which you'll typically find in the upper right corner of the homepage. Click on it and enter your Wayfair account credentials. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one using the same email you used to make the purchase. Once you're logged in, navigate to your account settings. You can usually find the account button where your name or account avatar appears. Click there and you'll see a drop-down menu with several options. From this list, select My Orders. This section is your main hub for tracking past and current orders, so it's where you can manage any refund requests. You'll now be faced with a list of all your orders. Take a moment to carefully browse through your recent purchases and locate the specific item that you wish to return. Once you've found it, you'll notice several options for managing your order, including a refund or return option, depending on the item's refund policy. Select the refund option by clicking the button or link provided. You might be prompted to answer a few questions about why you're returning the item. Perhaps it didn't fit your space, or there was a fault with the product. Answering these questions can help Wayfair improve their service, but also ensure that your refund process goes smoothly. Next, you'll need to prepare the item for shipping. Carefully repack the product in its original packaging, if possible, to best protect it during its return journey. Be sure to include all accessories, manuals, or any other components that were part of the original delivery. Now it's time to ship the item back to Wayfair. The company will often provide you with a return label. Print this out and securely attach it to the outside of your package. Drop off your package at the specified shipping carrier location, and you're all set. It's always a good idea to keep hold of any tracking information just in case you need to follow the return's progress. Once Wayfair receives your returned item and everything is verified, your refund will be processed. This is usually sent back to the original payment method used for the purchase. Keep an eye on your account for the refund, as processing times can vary depending on your bank or credit provider. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the refund request on Wayfair. If you encounter any issues at any point, Wayfair's customer service team is just a call or email away to help you further.